welcome to my installation video of the Xclio 256 color fan. Today I'll be installing this fan right here into the top of this case right here. So stay tuned. Okay, so after turning off the computer, what you want to do is remove the old fan, and my old fan has 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And I will be back with you as soon as I remove this fan. Stay tuned. Okay, I have removed the fan. There's a hole in the top of my case now. And even though this fan is supplied with 4 fan screws, even though there are 3 here, they are silver in color, and my existing stock fans are black, and this is what it's going to look like with the supplied screws and with the existing screws. I believe I'm going to try to use my existing screws, and we'll find out if those work or not. Okay, I have the fan installed. I'm using the original screws that came with the case. What I had to do is first I had to go in with the supplied screws, and then go in with remove those, put the original ones that came with the case back in so I could thread out the fan holes there. But that is in, and so the next step is to install the controller, and I believe I'm going to be installing it into the top one for now. I thought maybe I'd install it in there, run this cable back down, loop it around, and then come across, but I don't think I want it going across here. I could probably go behind, and then run it up through. Yeah, I know I haven't cleaned out. If you see my previous videos, I haven't cleaned out this mess yet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but right now I don't have a side window, so I really can't see, and I don't have enough zip ties to undo the current zip ties I have. Anyway, so the next step is to install this bracket into here and then connect the power. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the fan is installed. I have the power, or the power going into the fan. I have it coiled up here for now, running down, plugged into there, and then getting power to the whole thing. I'm going to sleeve this cable as soon as I get some cable sleeving, but that is running down here for now. I have the excuse me, I have the cable wrapped around here for now, zip tied. What I'm going to do is see if I can run it back behind the motherboard tray on the other side, power it back there with my other fans, but there it is. The next video will be of the computer on. Hopefully this fan will turn on, and we will see. Be back in a minute. Okay, the computer is on, and as you can see, the fan is on, and the LEDs are on. So there it is, the Xclio 256 color LED 14 millimeter or 140 millimeter or 14 centimeter fan. Thank you for watching. And this is my son Alex, and he would like to say something to everyone. Or not. I guess he's being shy right now.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and have a Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas to you, Santa Claus, and this is the Weather Report, man. So thank you, and I like Ben's channel, thank you for reporting. Thank you.
Alrighty. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas, everybody. Okay, just want to show you real quick on this remote is plugged into the back of my computer. I have the Xclio computer case here, and there's plenty of cable. It's plugged into the top PCI or the expansion slot in the back. The fan, let me turn the light off. The fan is on, and the fan is off. The color that you see is coming from the green, I guess, is coming from the motherboard. The red LED lights that you see are coming from the other fan. Turn it back on. There it is. Just to show you the wall. Sorry for the cable mess back there. If I had to guess, maybe 4 inches my computer's away from the wall. Let's turn off the lights. There it is. Turning the fan down. Back up again. Changing colors. We'll let it cycle through the colors here. Going to a green, to a blue, to a purple, to a red, and then orangish, yellowish, to a green, well, green now, to a blue, to a purple. Oh, it's purple and I don't know what color it is there. Back to a red, and I'm going to stop it at the red because that's the color I want. Alrighty, thank you for watching, and again, Merry Christmas, and remember to click that yellow button up there that says subscribe. Alrighty, more videos to come. Thank you.